We created the first parts of the Smart Energy app in the previous lessons. Today we are going to create the third part of this app. I have now finished creating the first parts of the Smart Energy app that we created in the previous lessons. If anyone hasn't seen our 61 and 62 lessons, check out the 61 and 62 designs made using the Thunkable.com website now. From here on, we will add parts to the same design and improve it a little more. See, in the previous lessons, we designed the Screen Energy BD screen as needed and created a part of the code for it. By now, the code for turning on and off the main, switch tube light, switch fan and switch CFL has been created. Next, let's see how to calculate the power consumption when each switch is activated. So let's make this code first. First, I go to the Blocks tab. At this point, we have finished creating a part of the code. Let's add the necessary parts from here on. We need 3 more variables to assign the amount of electricity used for the fan, for tube lights, as well as for CFL. Let's create these 3 variables. We click Variables and drag an initialize app variable name to code block to the place where the variables were created earlier. The name of the variable is given as tube consumption, and since the electricity consumption for the tube light is 0 at the beginning, here a code block is connected with the 0 under math for the value. Next, we need to create variables for the fan and CFL in the same way. We can duplicate this code block more easily than creating variables by dragging new code blocks. In this way, I right-click on the Initialize App Variable code block and give a duplicate. Let's duplicate the code block like this once again. Okay, now change the variable name of the first duplicated code block to fan consumption. In the next code block, let's change the name of the variable to CFL consumption.